Hello everybody, so today we're going to replace the battery on a 2019 GMC Acadia 3.6 liter engine. So the battery is located conveniently right under the hood. And as far as tools, you're going to need basically a 10mm and a 13mm, maybe a flathead, and that's about it. Any power tools are a plus, but you don't need a power tool. I'm going to loosen all the 10mm first. And just your positive, that's the negative. I'm going to loosen the negative terminal first. And we'll use a flathead to try it out. Okay, that's out. Now you can do the positive, or you can remove all the bolts out the way. Put it right here so I don't lose them. This here for now. This thing, if you want, you can just leave it aside, or you can disconnect this. So I'll leave it on the side for right now. Now I'm going to remove the positive terminal. It's also a 10mm. And the battery keep moving. Let's move this out the way so it's easier to see. So to make it easier, I'm going to remove these. They're all 10mm. These are 13. We'll see if we have to move those. Most likely, but we'll see. So these, you cannot, don't worry about it, the location, because they have a number on it. This says 1, it says 1 here, this is 2. That says 2. This is 3, this is 3, this is 4, and that says 4 right there. I might have to disconnect this. That thing just popped back in, so I'll open that. I'm gonna move this out the way. There. It's stuck somewhere, possibly these ones. Yep. Use the flathead to help you. Okay, so this is out of the way. Now the battery keep moving, so that thing is loose. So we're gonna move this. Let's see, hopefully it comes off easier. Yeah. I'll be holding it here and a helping hand to help me get the battery out. Thank you, Mahar. Yeah. So I have the battery inserted. Now we're going to put everything back in the same order. We'll put the positive terminal, but before that, let me put these back on. This one is number 1, 4. That says 4. This is 3, so it goes here. And this is 2. Now I'm going to make sure it's tight. And we're going to put this positive terminal back in. Connect this. Okay, we'll put this wiring back where it was. Alright, everything on this side is done. I'm going to put this covering back on. Okay, now put this bracket back in. And we're going to use the 13 millimeter and put this one so the battery does not move. And finally, we'll put the negative terminal back on. Now we'll start the car. Start it right up, turn it off. Alright, so that's it. And thank you for watching the video.